Hi, I'm Michelle Simone and I'm a hairstylist, and today I'm going to show you how to do the side sweep in long hair. So the first thing you're going to do is start by parting your hair into a nice deep side part. So I'm just going to take my comb, and I like to line my side parts up with the arch of the eyebrow because I think it's just the most natural place to put it. So I'm just dragging the comb back to create a nice straight part, and then just gently comb it over the top. Once you have your part done, what you're going to do to get your hair to all stay on one side of the head is do a nice little French braid across the side and down the back, and then this is just going to be secured at the bottom and let to cascade with the rest of the hair. So to do this side French braid, I'm taking the front section, split it into 3. And you're just going to French braid as usual, crossing over the top with each side. And then with the left piece, you're going to pick up a piece of hair from the top. And with the right piece, you're going to pick up from the bottom. I like to pull the middle strand underneath because it's an easier way to keep your hands taut. So you take from the top, cross it over, and then take from the bottom, pull the middle through. And you're just going to direct the braid to go down on a diagonal. You do this by picking up longer pieces and directing that top strand further down over the middle. Grab another piece, pull that middle through, taking from the top, and just continue the braid until you get to about the middle of the nape of the neck. This is going to keep your hair nice and secure over on the side. And it adds kind of a nice modern twist to what would be kind of a retro look. So once I get to here, I'm just going to continue on in a regular braid for a couple turns and secure it with a hairband. I'm doing this farther up so that way we can have as much loose hair on the side. And then you just lay it over the side of the hair. I like to do this with slightly wavy hair. You can even do this with a nice retro wave by curling all of your hair and then combing through it. But this is kind of a nice, fun, modern way to do the side sweep. So I'm Michelle Simone, and we just showed you how to do a side sweep with long hair.